In this video, I wanted to go over two PDFs that I will be putting in the files section on Canvas. The first is the musical alphabet. It is made up of 7 letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There is no H in the musical alphabet. After G comes A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I want you to be able to know your musical alphabet forwards in steps, backwards in steps, forwards in skips, and backwards in skips. So try to do it without looking, but this PDF is there in Files section for you. I also wanted to teach you the note names of the piano keys. So I have this little chant for you, and hopefully it'll help you. C is to the left of 2 black keys. D is in the middle of 2 black keys. E is to the right of 2 black keys. F is to the left of 3 black keys. G and A are in between 3 black keys. B is to the right of 3 black keys. Now we're back to C. One more time. C is to the left of 2 black keys. D is in the middle of 2 black keys. E is to the right of 2 black keys. F is to the left of 3 black keys. G and A are in between 3 black keys. B is to the right of 3 black keys. Now we're back to C. So that White Key Chant PDF is also in the files section of Canvas. Hope that helps. See you soon. Bye.